Junior Achievement approached us about a year ago when they were starting the concept for the Innovation Challenge. And our role is essentially to help the kids understand what it takes to develop a product and then to bring that product to market.
Our group created a fruit pizza. Like we put in like pineapples, apples, pears, oranges, blueberries, and grapes.
We created a caprese pizza. So instead of like a salad, it's on a pizza.
Seeing the kids work together and coming up with these ideas and almost having that light bulb moment like, oh, okay, that'll work. I think that's a really good idea. I think that was just really cool to see them work together and collectively come up with some really creative ideas.
I learned how to work with a whole bunch of people that I didn't know and how to make a new product and all the steps of how to make a new product.
With our students, we really try to relate our instruction to real life scenarios. Anytime we can get hands-on real world activities, that really is a great tool for the students.
We're going through processes on pricing as well as creating the actual product and then how to pitch that product and advertise that product.
We're from Champion Middle School and we're in the 8th grade and our pizza name is Killer Caprese.
My favorite part was learning better ways you can present. Tone, posture, facial expressions sound more persuading into buying the product.
When we finish and choose the pizzas, then we will actually take that product to market with the students, and folks in Trumbull County will be able to buy their pizza. And for our #1 pizza of the day, going to Never Lake
Anytime we are taking the future of our students and allowing them to express their creativity, and again, the importance of educating our future, our students, is very important.
Today is a great day where they're learning, but it's in such a different scenario and different setup that you can tell that they're having fun while they're actually getting their education.